aquaculture is one of the big gaps we have in feeding the world, right? How are we going to feed the world with limited resources?
We're trying to find replacements to krill, to fishmeal, because we all know, everyone in that room knows that it's a huge problem that needs solving.
F3 brings together ingredient leaders, the people sourcing the products, the people growing and harvesting the products. It brings together major companies, philanthropy. And it inspires them, educates them, and has them actually figure out how to work together better and to have the knowledge and then the determination and the partnership needed to accelerate positive change.
The selection of the groups that come here doesn't happen by accident. I think the way they curated it and the folks that they bring is really smart, and it's a great event.
We've seen the industry people come to our meetings. They're very engaged. They're very interested in talking to the ingredient companies and working out deals to ensure the supplies of sustainable ingredients that they all need.
It is very inspiring that we have some really innovative ideas how to save the ocean and the world. So I'm very excited to keep coming back and see if we can really transform the way we run this aquaculture business.
What we all need to do as a community is be allies of new ideas. And if we support each other, we'll be successful.
To watch all the F3 presentations, visit f3meeting.com. Learn more at f3challenge.org and f3fin.org.